How's your family? They're doing well, thanks. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 brothers. Are you close with them? Yes, very close. Do you see them often? We try to get together every weekend. What do you usually do when you meet? We like to have family dinners. Do you cook or order in? A bit of both, depends on the mood. Any favorite family dishes? Yes, my mom's lasagna is a hit. That sounds delicious. It is. You should try it sometime.
Are you free tomorrow?
I'm busy all day.
Where are you now?
I'm on my way.
Do you have a moment?
Sure. How can I help?
How soon will you be here?
I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Could you please repeat that?
I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?
Are you happy to see me?
I'm really glad to see you.
How often do you water the plants?
Every other day.
Is the oil used for frying fish?
No, it's for vegetables.
Is the dishwasher not working?
Yes, it's not turning on.
Where is the nearest pet hospital?
There's one downtown.
When is trash pickup day?
It's every Monday and Thursday.
Can we carpool to work?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
I like tea,
Me too.
but I don't like coffee.
Me too.
No. Say me neither for negative sentences.
Oh, me neither.
Hi, Anna.
Hey, Sophia.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
It's nice to see you.
You too? It's been so long.
Yeah, really long.
What are you doing these days?
Just work. You?
Same, just work.
We should hang out soon.
Yes, how about Saturday?
Perfect. I'll call you.
Great. See you soon.
Bye, Sophia.
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jani.
Where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am a little busy.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you need any help?
No, I am fine, thank you.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself as a seasoned marketing professional with a deeper expertise in digital strategy and brand management. I aim to have taken on more leadership responsibilities, perhaps managing a team or leading major projects that drive significant business growth. I am committed to continuous learning and plan to pursue further certifications in digital marketing and data analytics to stay ahead in the field. Ultimately, I hope to contribute to innovative campaigns that not only achieve business objectives, but also inspire and engage audiences. The start of my English journey. At first, I started with the very basic things. I learned words like hello, goodbye, cat, and car. These words were simple, but they were my first step into the English-speaking world. I practiced them every day. I would say them out loud, write them in a notebook, and try to remember them. Slowly, these simple words became part of my vocabulary. It felt like putting together tiny pieces of a puzzle, and with every word, the picture started to grow.